Tonight at 6. Tonight, an attorney for Harrison Floyd asking a Fulton County judge to let them recount the 2020 election results.
They say it is necessary to defend Floyd in the Georgia election interference case involving the former president and more than a dozen others. 11 Alive's Grace King joining us live outside the courthouse. Grace, they have a subpoena for those records, so what's stopping them?
Time and money. An attorney for Fulton County said Harrison Floyd's request could take them 57,000 hours of work to produce. Neither side wants to pay for that.
That's the whole key.
In court, attorney Christopher Kucheroff asking Judge Scott McAfee to let them review hundreds of thousands of ballots.
We have a difficulty formulating defense for Mr. Floyd when we don't know what the facts of the false statement are.
The indictment accuses Harrison Floyd of conspiring to solicit false statements from Ruby Freeman, an election worker in Fulton County. It specifies how many times he attempted to contact Freeman and when, but it doesn't say what false statements Floyd wanted Freeman to make. That makes it difficult for Floyd's legal team and a Fulton County attorney to narrow down what they're looking for.
It's hard for me to say, well, this is not relevant, or say, well, okay, this could be relevant if I don't know what the statement is.
Judge McAfee asked Floyd's attorneys to narrow down their request and explain how their law firm could help speed things up. He doesn't want this or anything else to stall the case.
The Court of Appeals is currently considering the disqualification appeal from the underlying case of Fulton County versus Trump et al. That's going to take a long time.
Criminal defense attorney Joshua Schiffer, who isn't affiliated with this case, says the Court of Appeals could take months to issue a ruling, but that won't stop parts of this case from moving forward.
Judge Scott McAfee has certainly insisted on dealing with the issues he still can litigate, and that's the purpose of today's hearing.
And at that hearing, Judge McAfee asked how long it would take for them to amend that request. They said about 2 weeks. Live in downtown Atlanta, Grace King, 11 Alive News.
All right, Grace, thank you so much. Meanwhile, that full Trump co-defendant hearing is available on our 11 Alive Plus app. It's free to download on your Apple, Roku, or Amazon TV device.